short, stout build with sharp hooves and chisel-like teeth. Zebras are built for combat. For these wanderers, life is never easy. But there is one thing that drives a zebra mad. It's the dry season in the Kalahari Desert. Zebra herds approach the waterholes, and a family of 6 is the last to arrive. Their father and leader, a seasoned stallion, has done his best to keep his family together, but he faces a problem: a young male with one thing in mind. The stallion's daughter, he doesn't care what her father thinks.